guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today we are going to be talking about the Dior Saddle Belt Bag. She is a beauty. If you are new here, my name is Cassie. I am a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, and if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join us in our luxury addiction that we are not ready to go to rehab for. I've decided I'm going to do a new way of doing my reviews. I'm going to do pros, cons, styling, okay? Guys, okay, let's start. So this is her in the green, in the money green, yes. She's also available in the blue, just like the saddle bag, and also in a burgundy moment. The best thing about this bag is that it is super versatile. So, not only do you have the belt bag option, of which, because you can adjust, you can do a waist moment, you can do across the chest moment. Do not worry, wait until the end for my styling to see how I'm going to show you all the ways you can wear this. But the other thing about this bag is that if we just remove the belt, oh, what? She's an evening clutch? Yes, she's a little clutch, okay? She's a little evening clutch. She's an under the arm moment. Hi! Obviously, we know that this is inspired by the original saddle bag. Kind of flap is that same shape there. You still have the dangling D. Get you the D, get you the Dior D, ladies. Back there, you have your two little hoops that the belt goes through. It's got two little, kind of like a brushed gold with the CD initials, you know, that Christian Dior. This bag was £650, I believe. I will put all the details of everything below, how to get her and all of that. If we pop her open, there is a magnetic closure. She has got the Christian Dior stamped on the inside. Back here we have the authenticity card, okay? Because we don't do fake around here, oh no. Is that you want to approach this like a wallet on chain, okay? She has the two card slots there. Okay, obviously, listen, you're not gonna fit your life's possessions in this, okay? Let's be honest here. But you have your two card slots at the back, and you have this zip up here, which you can again use as a wallet or for coins or for whatever that you want to separate, you know. Just to give you a bit of an idea of what you can fit in there, this is the iPhone X. She fits perfectly inside. I personally hold my phone. I never put my phone in my bag, so I would just put, you know, just little life's accoutrements, some gum, my keys, other such things, you know, little essentials. The good things about this bag is it's a great shape, it's super easy, super cute, super small, very on trend, very on trend. You have the adjustable strap, which I think gives you a lot more styling options than something that's like on a toggle or something like that, because you can really strap it into the waist. You can really cinch the waist with her. She's small enough so that she goes with dresses. It's not going to be a bulky addition to the outfit. It's going to work seamlessly. I am now going to show you her on my body in 3 different outfits. I'm going to talk you through it so you can see how I style this babe. So for this first outfit, we have gone for a black turtleneck moment, and I have worn her across the chest. This is probably the way that I wear her most often. I don't know, I just like the little chest access. As you can see, just casual black jeans, black turtleneck, a little pop of Dior on the chest, and she is just killing it. For the second look, I've worn her through the belt loop. So another great thing about having the adjustable belt on this belt bag is that she works great if you want to actually use her as a belt, okay? We're gonna traditional fanny pack this hoe, yes. So again, also because she's that great size, it doesn't look obtrusive. I've gone with a white turtleneck because we don't want to do too much, okay? We want to go simple yet chic. Guys, let me know in the comments which of these 3 looks was your fave. Number 3, we have the belt bag worn at the waist, cinching everything together. We have an old grey look, but guess what? We're gonna draw the eyes to the middle. We're gonna draw the eyes to the waist, okay? To the tiniest little point. Guys, cinch the waist. It's a thing, get on it. This could be a date night, you know, just give him a little idea of what he's in for. You know, you are a stylish, confident woman, and you deserve no less than the absolute world. So just let him know. Guys, let me know which of the 3 looks was your fave. Let me know what you think about this belt bag. I personally love her. You know me, I'm here for smaller bags at the moment. I love just taking around the essentials, and she is just so, she's just adorable. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not already a member of our little family here. And guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.